Welcome to our channel. Wealth is not only money, wealth is health, wealth is courage, wealth is knowledge, wealth is peace, wealth is success. Lakshmi appears in 8 forms. Each form gives a different wealth. Together they create abundance. Together they create balance. Together they create fulfillment. 1. Adi Lakshmi, spiritual wealth. Adi Lakshmi gives inner peace. Peace is true richness. A calm mind makes wise decisions. Wisdom brings stable success. Pray for inner strength. Om Adi Lakshmi bless us. 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 2. Dhanalakshmi, wealth of money. Money supports life, but money needs discipline. Save wisely, spend mindfully, share generously. Om Dhanalakshmi bless us. 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 3. Dhanya Lakshmi, wealth of food. Food is life energy. Gratitude for food increases abundance. Waste less, share more. Blessings multiply. Om Shri Dhanya Lakshmi bless us. 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 4. Gajalakshmi, wealth of power. Power must serve others. Power is responsibility. Kind leaders rise higher. Respect brings authority. Authority brings impact. Om Gajalakshmi bless us. 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 5. Santana Lakshmi, wealth of family. Family is emotional wealth. Love strengthens success. Support builds courage. Blessings protect generations. Harmony creates happiness. Om Shri Santana Lakshmi bless us. 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 Om Shri Santanalakshmi blesses. 6. Veera Lakshmi, wealth of courage. Courage defeats fear. Fear blocks growth. Confidence attracts success. Brave steps create opportunity. Stand strong. Om Shri Veera Lakshmi bless us. 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 7. Vidya Lakshmi, wealth of knowledge. Permanent wealth is knowledge. Skills create independence. Learning opens doors. Wisdom guides choices. Never stop learning. Om Shri Vidya Lakshmi bless us. 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 8. Vijay Lakshmi, wealth of victory. Victory comes to the patience. Perseverance defeats failure. Keep trying. Blessings follow effort. Success becomes destiny. Om Shri Vijay Lakshmi blesses. 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 Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.